Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Rinkbox. Today we're going to talk about Ysense, a website that allows you to earn money online by completing tasks, taking surveys, and referring friends. What is Ysense? Ysense is a part of the larger company called Ysense, which has been around since 2007. Ysense is available to users in over 200 countries and has paid out over $40 million to its members. You can create an account for free and start earning money right away.
How to earn money with Ysense. There are several ways to earn money with Ysense. Completing tasks. Ysense partners with companies to provide tasks that you can complete for a small fee. These tasks might include things like filling out surveys, testing websites, or transcribing audio files. Taking surveys. Ysense also offers paid surveys that you can take to earn money. The surveys are provided by market research companies and can be about a variety of topics. Referring friends. Ysense has a referral program where you can earn a percentage of your referrals' earnings. You can share your referral link with friends and family, and if they sign up and start earning money, you'll get a cut of their earnings.
Tips for maximizing your earnings. Here are a few tips to help you maximize your earnings with Ysense. Be consistent. The more tasks and surveys you complete, the more money you'll earn. Try to log in and complete tasks on a regular basis. Use the mobile app. Ysense has a mobile app that you can use to complete tasks and take surveys on the go. This can be a convenient way to earn money while you're out and about. Refer friends. As mentioned earlier, referring friends is a great way to earn extra money with Ysense. Share your referral link on social media or with people you know who might be interested in earning money online. Conclusion. Ysense is a legitimate way to earn money online by completing tasks, taking surveys, and referring friends. It's free to join and available to users in over 200 countries. We hope you found this video helpful and will consider giving Ysense a try. Please give your views in the comment section. Thanks for watching.